Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Rockwell, talking to you from my office in Mill Valley, California. I want to tell you a little bit about a seminar I'll be teaching this summer. It's on Dermoneuromodulation, DNM, changing the brain and the nervous system by working with the nerves in the skin. It's going to be at the Lauterstein-Conway School of Massage in Austin, Texas. Great place. And it's going to be held on Saturday and Sunday, June 23rd and 24th. It's a 12-hour class. Basically, we're going to cover all kinds of things: neck, shoulder, low back, and importantly, because pain is a biopsychosocial phenomenon, we're going to talk about the social engagement system and teach you some good things regarding how to work with the 5 cranial nerves that make up the social nervous system. So if you've been to previous seminars of mine, this is new material. If you haven't been to seminars that I've taught, you'll be learning a lot of the basic material as well. It won't be boring, it'll be fun. Remember, acute pain serves a purpose in terms of protection. Chronic pain doesn't. It's an invitation to change. And along those lines, I want to invite you to come to a fun seminar that I'll be hosting at the Lauterstein-Conway School of Massage coming up, and before you know it. Take care. Look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.